Hey, good Saturday morning, folks. Lots of work piled up from the storm, rescheduling jobs and all this other stuff going on, and plus the phone's ringing off the hook with regular customers wanting to get on the schedule before the holidays get here. So we have a lot of work to do. That driveway needs to be cleaned right there. We're only 3/4 of a mile from the house today. Got a regular customer with a really big driveway that we're going to be taking care of today. Very big ticket, and it's an older person, so they have a lot of hurricane stuff on the driveway. So I'm going to go ahead and take my wash jet tip, and we're going to put an end to that. You'll see how fast we can rake a yard and get leaves off a driveway here with no problem whatsoever. All right, we'll see you at the job. Let's get after it. All right, fellas, here's what we're looking at this morning. Job number one. We have two on the schedule today. This is a real big cement job. It's very black. It's been about 2 years since I've been out here. The lady was going to cancel the job because of all this leaves and stuff. She said she didn't think I can do it, but we're going to take the wash jet tip and we're going to clear these leaves out in no time. Then we're going to go ahead and pre-treat and then get after this. It's black all the way up to the front door. The water's already filled up, so we'll be right back. Let me set up, and then we're going to be cleaning the lanai in the back. She says it's very green, gets a lot of algae back there. So we'll go back there and check that out, all right? We'll be right back. Okay, let's take a walk. So you can see the driveway's nice and black. And the layout is the ball valve is right there. So what I'm going to do is wash jet tip all this stuff off of here. Then I'm going to post-treat it. Pre-treat it all the way back to the truck. Then we're going to hook the mini Mondu up, and then we're going to get after it. This sidewalk up here is completely black. Look at that. I'll make for some good before and after footage. I'll have to move that plant out of the way. Got really good water pressure. I was able to get 150, so we're 170 feet away. We'll clean the side here as well. We're not going to clean that this year, but we are going to do this back here. So when we're done with the driveway, we'll just back the rig down the driveway, then we'll get after this stuff back here. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. All right, I brought the pump up back here, but I don't think we're going to need it right now. We'll need it more out front after we're done cleaning it. So we'll come back here and clean this off and see how it goes. We got green all the way over to there, so we're definitely going to be using it there. All right, we'll be back.
Change your mind. I'm caught up in the lies you spend. I feel I'm wasting precious time. All right. I wanna love you all so much. I want some of your primitive touch. Beggars can't be choosers, losers just can't win. But the way you done me, mama, my tail is in a spin. Ow! I keep
let's take a look. The driveway's all done, all the way up to the front door. We just got to do the satisfying rinse. However, the water, I mean, it fills up to 210, whatever. So we're down almost 60 gallons, 70 gallons. So I'm gonna let this thing fill back up. While we're waiting, we'll go ahead and go around the back. There's some tough areas back there with green mold. We'll go ahead and take care of that back there. Then we'll be back to rinse this off. You see this water here? What I'm gonna do is blow this water that way into that corner over there where that water is. This will go that way. So we'll rinse all the way to there, get all this rinse, and then we'll come up here and go that way. Then we'll wash jet tip that water into the grass over there. That should take care of it, all right? Know your water, know your hose management, and always get after it.
Some of your primitive touch. Want some of your primitive? Want some of your primitive touch? Touch. Want some of your primitive? Want some of your primitive touch? Want some of your primitive?
Okay, folks, that's how you do it professionally. Not a mark anywhere. Double post treated it, and always figure out where your water's gonna go. The water is gonna go somewhere. So while you're cleaning, you can notice which way it goes. It went all the way over there. Then I took the wash jet tip and just blew it in the grass. Everything came out perfect. Now we're gonna go around the back. We'll see you there. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a final look. Driveway came out smacking good, man. Look at that. No marks. And if you notice, when we pulled up, you didn't see any surface cleaner marks. Sidewalk looks great. Let's go out and look at the back here. This was the worst. I had to spot treat the sidewalks with the straight SH pump up. Of course, we did the pad. Let's come over here and look how nice this looks now, okay? And we did the lanai back here too, clean the porch out. And when you know how to do stuff, I try to teach everybody, this was nasty. I had to come back here and spray straight SH on the sidewalk. It looks very, very clean again. The porch is clean. Clean all the way to that door. Cleaned all this up. All right, that's gonna be a wrap. Gonna go home, eat some lunch. Then we got another job to do after that. Then we're gonna have a barn fire tonight, burn all that stuff. Then I'm going riding with my friends tomorrow. It's gonna be a good weekend. Well, I'm working today, have a little time tomorrow. We'll have a barn fire at night tonight. That'll be cool. All right, let's get after it. See you at the next job. All right, here we are. Small little driveway, regular customer. Pretty dirty, got some weeds in the cracks. We'll go ahead and use the turbo nozzle today and get after that stuff. All right, we'll be right back. Let's get after it. Okay, hey, we're gonna use the good old turbo nozzle, all right? A little bit of live action for you here and show you how fast you can get all these weeds out of here. We got the machine running on 40%. It is 10 gallons a minute. Go ahead and turbo nozzle, then we'll pre-treat, then we'll mini mondo, all right? Let's get after it. right, now we're down to the rinse. See how nice that looks without the weeds in there? Turbo nozzle, man, great investment. All All right, we're gonna go ahead and rinse it on down. Then we're gonna post treat everything. All right, let's get after it.
Long reach, short scope, hanging on the ass, dancing on the tightrope.
All right, that's how you do it. Check it out. Perfect. Gutter in the road looks good. You know, did you ever think of anything? You see all these homes around here, you know, got their blinds open, everybody, you know, you have an audience in every neighborhood, so always do your best work. I do a lot of customers in here just because they see the rig. I'll get a couple calls this week. Hey man, you need to get my driveway done. These are easy jobs, all right? Get them on the book. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and we'll see you Monday. We'll be back again after it. All right, enjoy your weekend.